Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about Banting Postdoctoral Fellowship. So this fellowship is available in Canada. The government of Canada is providing the fellowship for talented students. The value and duration of the scholarship is they will provide you $70,000 per year, and the duration will be 2 years, non-renewable. Then after 2 years you can't renew your scholarship. Important dates: anticipate announcement of results. View more fellowship details, we can click here. I will add the link of that scholarship in the description of the video. You can take a look there. So Banting Postdoctoral Fellowship Program provides funding to very best postdoctoral applicants both nationally and internationally, who will positively contribute to country economic, social, research-based growth. The objective of Banting Postdoctoral Fellowships program is to attract and retain top-tier postdoctoral talent both nationally and internationally, develop their leadership potential, position them for success as research leaders of tomorrow. 70 fellowships are awarded annually, so they provide approximately 140 awards are active at any time. So they provide that much candidates to that scholarship. Okay, the fellowship are distributed equally among the Canadian Institutes of Health Research, National Science and Engineering Research Councils, Social Science and Humanities Research Councils. So you can take a look at these institutes. Value and duration we have already shown, and these are the institutes. You can go to their link and then you can take a look to these institutes. Here timelines: April to September. Applicants seek endorsement from host institutions to apply, prepare and submit application. Institutions may also internal deadlines. Deadline for completion application, so September 2023 is the deadline for completing that application. If the deadline is passed, then you need to wait until next year 2024, September 2024. They provide this scholarship annually each year. And then October to December evaluation of the scholarship, mid-February 2024. Anticipated notification of result. Applicant will be notified by email when the results are available. April to October the payment begins. Banting Federal Postdoctoral Fellowship Program is unique in its emphasizes on the synergy between the applicant, their individual merit potential to launch successful research-intensive career, their commitment to research program alignment with institutions' strategic priorities. Applicant to the Banting Postdoctoral Fellowship Program must complete their application in full collaboration within proposed host institutions. And these are the deadlines, and we can come back to the home page. And who is eligible? The candidate should be Canadian citizen or permanent resident of Canada or foreign citizens. So these three are eligible to apply for the scholarship, and areas of research will be health research, natural science, engineering, social science and or humanities. View more about eligibility details, then you can click here. Applicant eligibility, citizenship and location of institutions. So you can read more about your eligibility here. And view application guidelines. So these are the guidelines which you can take a look. First, you need to check the eligibility and contact your desired institution supervisor. register for Canadian Common Account, create CCV, start a research net application, identify area of research, identify participants, identify referees, enter degree information, enter personal information, supporting documents, preview application material, consent, and submit application. Ensure attached documents meet presentation standards. So you can take a look each of them, each steps. Yeah, this is the application procedure, and here you can find the results of each year, review process, application process, so you can know more about Banting Postdoctoral Fellowship program. And if you have any question related to that fellowship program, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply to your comments, and I will also add the link of that scholarship in the description of the video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video, and if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to this channel and kindly like, share as well. Thank you so much. Take care. I wish you best of luck. Bye bye.